I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Jeep Wrangler JK headlights. First, gather your tools. You will need a T15 Torx driver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight assemblies. Make sure your replacement headlights are compatible with your Jeep model. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker. Safety first, so ensure your vehicle is off. Now, let's remove the grille. Begin by locating the 6 plastic retaining clips across the top of the grille. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pop out the center pins, then remove the clips entirely. Once the clips are out, gently pull the bottom of the grille forward to release it from its lower retaining clips. Set the grille aside where it won't get scratched. With the grille removed, you can now access the headlights. Each headlight is secured by 4 T15 Torx screws around its perimeter. Unscrew these 4 screws completely. Once the screws are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward from the vehicle. Then, disconnect the electrical harness by pressing the tab and pulling it free from the old headlight unit. To install your new headlight, first connect the electrical harness to the back of the new assembly, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Carefully align the new headlight into its opening, making sure it sits flush. Reinsert and tighten the 4 T15 Torx screws to secure it. Finally, reattach your grille by aligning the bottom clips and then securing the 6 top retaining clips. Test your new headlights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.